Advanced solar panel technologies have led to enhanced power outputs and voltages, creating the demand for reliable junction boxes that can deliver the energy produced safely and efficiently for customers' use. Since 2015, QC Solar has been providing connectivity solutions that have vastly improved the safety and reliability of solar panels and power systems. Their latest product, the 3Q series junction boxes, fulfill the modern-day requirements of panel manufacturers with the right balance of high performance and lower production costs. Available as an integrated system with all the necessary components pre-configured at the factory, this smartly designed item ensures simple, fast, and cost-effective assembly. With a greater 35 ampere current carrying capacity and certified for use with 1500 volt systems, it is capable of stable operation in highly demanding environments. The 6.3 millilitres plotting glue secures in place the soldered joint, connecting the panel conductor ribbons with the junction box diodes. Also, it allows effective thermal heat transfer, protecting the internal wiring and other parts from high temperatures. The use of A-grade materials that conforms to the highest 5VA flame rating makes it an ideal choice for outdoor long-term applications. The ingress rating of IP68 offers maximum protection against moisture, leading to minimal corrosion at the terminals. Also, a wide temperature range and fulfillment of international standards such as TÜV and UL for PV connection systems complement the robust product specification.